Hey, welcome back. I am Rajesh and today I am going to tell you some important formulas and the way of solving the problems on DRCS, that is design of the reinforced concrete structure. So let's start this today's session. So the problem is a reinforced concrete beam 230 mm wide by 500 mm overall depth is reinforced with 4 bar of 12 mm diameter at an effective cover of 50 mm. Using M20 grade concrete and Fe415 steel, estimate the moment of resistance of the section if the beam is simply supported over an effective span of 5 meter. Okay. It is asking find maximum uniformly distributed load the beam can carry in closing of its own weight. So before going to solve this problem, we need some formulas to calculate. So these are the necessities formula we have to memorize. So the given data is diameter D is equal to 12 mm and diameter of the concrete beam, that is overall depth, it is given capital D is equal to 500 mm. This is the overall depth. Breadth of reinforced concrete beam small b, it is given to 30 mm and the number of the bar n is equal to 4. So these are the number of the bar it is given. Effective cover it is given 50 mm and effective span it is given 5 meter. So this is the figure of this problem. This is the neutral axis. This is the area of the steel in tension. So let's start the problem. So in this problem, first we have to calculate the effective depth. Effective depth D is equal to capital D minus cover. So the capital D means overall depth it is given 500 and the effective cover it is given 50 mm. So the D we got 450 mm. Now we have to calculate the area of the steel in tension. So we know area of steel ST is equal to pi d square by 4. In the question it is given 4 bar of 12 mm diameter. So area of the steel becomes the formula as n into pi d square by 4. So n is nothing but a 4 into pi d. D is equal to 12, it is given, divided by 4. So the value we will get as 452.16 mm square. So this is the area of the steel. So next we have to calculate the permissible stress. So permissible stress sigma CBC is equal to 7 Newton per mm square. To calculate this permissible stress, we have to see this value in the IS code 456 2000, but it is asking M20 grade concrete and Fe415 steel. So this is the code book IS code 456 2000 permissible stress in concrete. So it is given in the question M20 grade concrete. So M20 grade concrete, the value is 7. If it is M25, the value we will take 8.5. So it is M20. So we take in 7 Newton per mm square. So this value from IS code 456 2000. Okay. Page number 81 you can see. So this is the permissible stress and permissible stress in tension, it is given 230 Newton per mm square. It is given in the question. So second we have to calculate in this is design constant for M20 concrete and Fe415 steel. So M we know the formula 280 by 3 sigma CBC. So this value we can put 3 into sigma C, it is given 7. So this value we will get as 13.33 and again we have to calculate NC. So NC is nothing but a Kc into D. So Kc is equal to 1 by 1 plus sigma St by sigma Cv C into m into D. Okay, so 1 by 1 plus sigma St, it is given 230 divided by sigma Cv, it is 7 into m, it is 13.33, and D value we calculated 450. So the value we will get as 129.87 mm. Third, we have to calculate depth of the neutral axis. Depth of neutral axis. We know the formula bn square by 2 is equal to m into ast of d minus na. So b, it is given what? 230 na square divided by 2 is equal to m we calculated as 13.33 into area of steel we got 452.16 of D we calculated 450 minus Na we have to calculate. So 230 divided by 2 we will get as 115 Na square is equal to 13.33 into 452.16 of 450 minus Na. So in this we have to calculate Na. So this equation we can directly solve on the calc. So it is 115 Na, put the x square is equal to alpha, solve, it is 13.33 into 452.16 of 450 minus, we have to calculate Na, so put x, bracket close, shift and solve. We will get value 129.58. So the Na value we got 129.58 mm. So Na less than Nc. Na we got 129.58 and Nc we got 130 mm, nearly equal to Na 130 mm. Now we have to calculate fourth, that is moment of resistance. So this 129.58 is less than 130. So the section is under reinforce. Okay, so moment of resistance Mr, we know sigma St into Ast of D minus Na by 3. So sigma St we have 230 into area of steel, we calculated 450.16 of D we have 450 minus Na we calculated 129.58 divided by 3. So this value we will get as 42.3 kilonewton meter moment of resistance. Okay, we have to calculate maximum uniformly distributed load. So M, it is WL square by 8 So we have to calculate W. L span it is given 5 in the question, divide by 8. So this value we will get as 3.15 W. So equating the maximum bending moment to the moment of resistance. So maximum bending moment we got 3.125 W, and the moment of resistance we calculated 42.30. So we have to calculate W. So W is equal to, we will get as 13.5 kilonewton per meter. So in this way you can solve the problem of working stress method on DRCS, that is design of reinforced concrete structure. If you have any doubt in this question, you can ask on the comment below.